Hello, the iconic Connect the News Show is back this week for 2023. Apparently, there's a new variant of the variant that we have to worry about. And medical science is baffled by all the excess deaths well beyond normal that have happened around the world, continue to still happen, since 2021. I don't understand it either. Hold on a minute. What's that elephant? There's an elephant in the room. And it's sat on the sofa. How bloody weird. And then, a New York Times article has urged people to mate with shorter people. So humanity becomes shorter to save us all from climate change. Take me home, mother, it's mad down here. That's the Connect the News Show on Iconic. Every Saturday from 10 a.m. UK. And you can take out a 7-day free trial whenever you like. Quick, mother, quick.